Hello, now we have 18th week and we are talking about idioms connecting to cooking this time. So let's observe all idioms and compare them. We found the most interesting ones. So English, cook up a storm, to cook a large quantity of food, often in a short amount of time. German language, sich die Finger nach etwas lecken. Literal translation, to lick one's fingers for something, meaning to long for or desire something, to long for, desire something eagerly. Latin, de gustibus non est disputandum. In matters of taste, there is no dispute. And cibi condimentum est famus. Hunger is the best seasoning for food. Italian. Fare la scarpetta, to do the little shoe, to mop up sauce with bread. In French. Être un cordon bleu, to be a skilled cook, literally to be in blue ribbon. Manger sur le pouce, to eat on the go, literally to eat on the thumb. Interesting idiom, être un cordon bleu, it's part of order, or medal. It has special blue ribbons, that is why it is the master of something. Spanish, tener mano de santa, to have a saint's touch, referring to being skilled in cooking and having a talent for making delicious food. Thank you for your attention.